The second wave of the novel coronavirus COVID-19 has wreaked extreme havoc across the country with thousands and lakhs of cases being registered each day. In fact, many cities and states have also gone under lockdown situation. While since the pandemic began, a lot of debate has already happened as to how this virus really spreads. While some reports claim that the virus is not airborne, while a recent report published in the Lancet has stated that SARS-CoV-2, the virus that caused COVID-19, is an airborne pathogen. Yes, the paper written by 6 experts from US, UK and Canada have gone against the predominant scientific view, which says that coronavirus spreads through smaller aerosols that remain suspended in the air or through fomites. The authors have also argued that there are insufficient grounds for concluding that a pathogen is not airborne, while the totality of scientific evidence indicates otherwise. With this, the authors of the paper have called for immediate modification of established COVID-19 safety protocols and have listed some reasons which back their claim that SARS-CoV-2 is transmitted primarily by the airborne route. So as per the Scarlet Coir outbreak, in which 53 people became infected from a single infected case, so as per these researchers, various studies have confirmed these events cannot be adequately explained by close contact or touching shared surfaces or objects. The next claim that the researchers have cited is demonstrating long-range transmission of the virus between people in adjacent rooms in hotels. So basically, people who were never in each other's presence. The next thing that the authors of the study have argued is that 33% to 59% of all coronavirus can be attributed to be asymptomatic or pre-symptomatic transmission without the infected person coughing or sneezing. The next thing that the authors have stated that SARS-CoV-2 has been detected in air during laboratory experiments too, where the pathogen stayed infectious in the air for up to 3 hours. In fact, they've also argued that this pathogen has been detected in air filters and building ducts in hospitals with COVID-19 patients. So that means the locations which could only be reached by aerosols. In fact, to claim proof, the author cited studies conducted on infected caged animals that showed that COVID-19 being transmitted via an air duct. In fact, the report also reads that infections, those originated in hospital, have been detected even in places where healthcare professionals wore PPE kits to protect themselves against the virus transmission through droplets. The authors have also claimed that the transmission of the pathogen is higher indoors compared to outdoors, as the transmission is substantially reduced by indoor ventilation. So as per the researchers, there is no study to their knowledge that provides strong or consistent evidence that disapproves their hypothesis. While the author's final argument was that there was limited evidence that supports other dominant routes of SARS-CoV-2 transmission, claiming COVID-19 as airborne. Wear your mask, avoid crowded places and wash your hands and stay protected from this deadly virus. For more such details, do log into india.com and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.